Hi, this is Vamsi Dande. Welcome to Grafix Vidya. So, the today concept is user intro and animation. Okay. Already the interface, we can see the interface. Okay. What are the effect controls and what are the timelines and what is the client monitor and what is the source monitor? We can check it. First of all, how to take the root folder. If you creating a project in Premiere Pro, we have to create a root folder. Okay, so come to the new project, click it here, make it root project. So that is called Premiere uh, Premiere Pro, like class 24 or project 24, PR 24. Okay, just double click, and this is our root folder. Select this one and make it root folder has been selected. So, and what is the project name? The project name is user intro and animation. User intro and animation. So, what is the time code, guys? I'll explain the time code in the application. Okay. So, select this one and time code. I'll explain into the application. And there is a audio samples. Okay. And HDV, high definition video. Click it. Okay. So this is a root folder. Sir, we just created only one folder. We created only one folder and open that folder. The name is project 24. And this is project 24. And I saved the file as a user intro and animation. So this is the application intro. Then where is the sequencer? Sequence means the new document. The new document. So this is source monitor, this is client monitor, source monitor, and client monitor. Okay. So select this one, and this is importing panel, project importing panel, and this is timeline. This is timeline. So source, pro, client, importing panel means project panel, and timeline. Sir, everything is good, sir. Then where is the sequencer? So to importing any images or to take any sequence, control and to create a new sequence. It's nothing but to creating new document. To creating new document. So this is the 1080 by 1440 by 1080 DV PAL. I explained previously in the class DV PAL, NTSC, okay, HDV. So XD CamX. We can take the this one 1920 by 1080. The recent projects we are working now. So 1920 by 1080. These are the ratios. Okay. You can select this one and you can take the frame rates also. The frame rate will be 25 and this one is 29.97 and this is mini HD and this is HD. Select this one and make it okay. Or otherwise come to here and select this one 24 frames per second 1920 by 1080 and 19 by 1080 25 frames per second 1080 1920 by 1080. If you want to click it, just take it, click it, or otherwise close this one, make it HDV. Any project 1080 by 1440 by 1080. So I'm just taking a sequence name final. It's a final animation, or otherwise image animate. This is the sequence name. That is the project name. Click it. Select this one. Select this one and make it sequence came. This is the sequence symbol. This is sequence symbol. Okay. And this is the importing panel. The client monitor has been activated. Okay. This intro, it has been taken. You understand the intro, but this intro we have learning and click it here, workspaces, effects. This is FX workspace, and come to here, make it color. Take it all panels. But always we have to work with editing panel. Editing workspace is very, very important. Okay, it is very clear. Project panel, source monitor, client monitor, timeline. Very easily. Okay, so to import the things. First of all, please note it down. This one. It's very important, guys. Please take very clearly. Please write very clearly. Okay. Control Alt N to create a new project. To create a root folder. The root folder is very important, sir. So when you creating a root folder, guys, see what happened here. We just created one root folder in the starting time. Okay. Now what is the project? See here. Here. Sir, what happened, sir? We just created only user intro and animation only. Then what is this, sir? The sequence. The sequence what you have created, it will be take automatically the supporting files. The supporting, these are the supporting files. The backup supporting files. So that's why I would like to create one root folder. ఇదే ఫోల్డర్ మీరు బయట సేవ్ ఇదే పేరుతో మీరు బయట సేవ్ చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ బయటకు వస్తాయి. So if you save it into the outside of the desktop, what happened? It will come all the 3 layers or 4 layers. It will come into the outside. If you want to import any images, again you have to create one source folder that is called source images. So మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇమేజెస్ ని మీరు ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? The root folder. You have to import any images. First of all, you have to place that footages, means that videos or images or footages, keep it into the source folder, the root folder. The root folder is very important. Okay, if you want to move this root folder directly, you can copy this root folder and you can place into any laptop or any external drives or you can move from one place to another place. So what happened? The image, the file will not be corrupted. ఆ ఫైల్ అనేది కరప్ట్ అవ్వదు. ఆ రూట్ ఫోల్డర్ మొత్తాన్ని కాపీ చేస్తావు కదా. సో ఇమేజెస్ మిస్ అవుతాయా? మిస్ అవ్వవు. వీడియోస్ మిస్ అవుతాయా? మిస్ అవ్వవు. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఇమేజెస్ you need, first of all, that images and videos you have to put into the source folder. Then automatically you have to import that images into this particular source folder only. Suppose I have 4 images, guys. Let's take it. I have a images folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have just 5 images. I'm just keeping here. So this is my root folder. So from here I would like to import. If I deleted, suppose if I deleted here, what happened? Automatically the image will be corrupted. The animation will be corrupted. So that's why what happening? We have to place the images and videos into root folder, into a source folder. So now you understand. Okay, please note it down. Okay, so this is good, sir. Then control F to import the images and videos. Videos is nothing but footages. Videos ni name pilustaru, footages pilustaru. Videos is nothing but footages. Double click and go to the desktop and the project number 24. Select this one and make it the source images. Hold the control key to select the multiple images. Control key పట్టుకుంటే multiple గా select చేసుకోవచ్చు. Select it and open. Now double click. This is the source monitor. This is the source monitor. We have to take the source monitor. We can place it into the client monitor. మనం ఎప్పుడు టైం లైన్ వేస్తామో అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా client monitor activate అయింది. Whenever you place a footage or video or image, Okay, into the timeline automatically the client monitor will be activated. Okay, please note it down. And zoom in zoom out cheyali ante plus zoom in minus zoom out. Okay. Okay. So what happened here? Plus zoom in minus zoom out. I would like to rename the text. What happened here? Select this one, make it enter. Select this one, enter. 1. Select this one, enter. 2. Select this one, 3. Select this one, 4. Select this one, 5. Like this, we can rename the images and videos. Select the sequence or images or footages, press enter to rename the files. Okay, we can rename the files. And video we call as footages. Video name అని పిలుస్తాం మనం ఇక్కడ footage అని పిలుస్తాం. Okay, select this one guys. I'm just taking first one. Okay, and select second one, select this one. I can drag and drop. And third one, I can drag and drop. Fourth one, I can drag and drop. Fifth one, I can drag and drop. Like this. And first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This is called timeline. If you play, stop, pass చేయొచ్చు, stop చేయొచ్చు. We can play and pass it or stop it. Okay, with in the keyboard. In the keyboard, play and pass. Okay, so there is a effect controls for every. And select this one. There is a effect controls. Click it. We can see the position, scaling, rotation, and opacity. These are the transform controls. Transform controls for every footage. You can see. Select this one. We can see the footages automatically. You can see the controls for every images and every footages. The shortcut is Shift 5. Write it down. Shift 5 effect controls. Okay, and select this one. First one I'm just taking here. There is a key point. Okay, first of all, what is exactly, sir? This is the time code. What is time code? For time code, this is hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, or we call as frames. What I told you, 24 frames equal to 1 second for movies, 25 seconds equal to 1 second for televisions. 24 frames ఏమవుతుంది, మూవీస్కి అవుతుంది. 25 ఫ్రేమ్స్ ఏమవుతుంది, టెలివిజన్స్ అండ్ బ్రాడ్కాస్టింగ్ ఛానల్స్కి అవుతుంది. ఫర్ బ్రాడ్కాస్టింగ్ ఛానల్స్ అండ్ టెలివిజన్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ 25 frames per 1 second. So if you move on, what happened? See, 23, 23, 22, 23, 24, 25. After that, it's taking 1 second. 1 second, one frame, 2 frame, 3 frame, 5 frame, 6 frames. Again 25 frames after what happening? 2 seconds. So you understanding? Okay, this is time code. This is time code. Okay, and there is a animation guys. I already explained you. So suppose this is the point. I'm just taking the key point, the position. The position. Select that position, and the position I can move it like this. Sir, where is the controller, sir? Is there any controllers here? No. How can we get the controllers? Select the motion. Automatically you can see the controllers, and you can drag it like this. Okay, and I can decrease manually like this, or otherwise you can scale it, or otherwise you can move it. And I just started one key point here. I just placed only one key point. After that, I'm just keeping the distance. Okay, the first key point, it should be started from here. అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, స్టార్టింగ్ అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. It's starting from here, there. And what is the seconds, sir? I would like to keep it as a 3 seconds or 2 seconds of animation. 2 seconds of animation. It's starting point, and this is the second point. Select this one, and you can move it like this, or otherwise you can move it as a using with move tool. Using with move tool, you can drag it like this. Yesterday I explained you guys, anyone, like the distance between, this is the distance, okay, from, okay, you coming from, mm, one second, yeah, this is the distance, okay, you're coming from high tech city to Amirpet, high tech city to Amirpet through bus. How much time it take? 1 hour. And the key point has started here and the key points ended here. Okay. Then what about the key point? It started here and ended here. It is a 45 minutes. Same high tech city to Amirpet, working with car. And again select this one and make it the animation like the key points. Same high tech city to Amirpet and using with bike. What is the time? 30 minutes. And again, there is a high-tech city to Amirpet coming with metro. It's taken 15 minutes. So what happening based on the vehicle, the distance is increasing. So the key point where it started here and where it's ended here. What is the time? 1 hour. Means what happened? The animation is slow. Here a little bit of slow. Like this is slow, this is a basic faster, a little bit faster, okay, and this is okay, better faster, this is more speed. You understand what happening there? Based on the distance, the animation is increasing speed and slow, అంతే కదా. డిస్టెన్స్ పెరిగే కొద్దీ యానిమేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? స్లో అవుతుంది. డిస్టెన్స్ తగ్గే కొద్దీ యానిమేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? స్పీడ్ అవుతుంది. You understand the concept? So this is the concept. So then what happened guys here? It is slow. Sir, I don't want 2 seconds, sir. Point, select this one and make it 1 second, sir. And select this one, and where is the motion control? Select this one. Already the key point automatically it has been generated. We didn't given. So we just kept only the one key point. మనం ఒక పాయింటే పెట్టాము. కీ పాయింట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింటే పెట్టాము. దాని పొరపాటున నేను ఇంకొక సెకండ్కి వచ్చేసి దీన్ని మూవ్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏమవుతుంది? The key point is automatically generating. So if you come 1 more second and just move it, what happening? Automatically the key point is generating. The key point is generating. So if you want to go again, come here. So automatically the key point is generating. So just keep one time the key point, automatically the next points will be generated automatically. Automatically we can place the key points, the animation points based on your positioning, scaling, rotation, whatever may be. Okay. So Control Z, step backward. Okay, we just came out 2 seconds with 1 second. Come to here. I can adjust the key points. We can adjust the key points. How? Like this. We can move the key points, we can adjust the key points, and we can delete the key points. Okay. Come to here. What happened? Slow. Select this one, starting point and ending point. Motion, there is no. Suppose if you delete this anchor point, delete this one, this is the starting point, and select this one, select the motion controls and make it speed. Just more. How much speed it gone? More speed. Okay. Sir, I would like to give the 3 seconds, sir. And Select this one. Now check it, guys. The distance, the animation is going slow. Based on the distance, the animation coming speed. Now you understand, guys? Got it? Okay. So this is position. It's completed. Select this one and select the motion controls. Sir, I would like to fit the scale size, sir. I would like to fit like this to the composition, the area. Okay, the sequence. So what happens, sir? How can we fit it, sir? For the select the timeline on the footage, right click, go to the scale to frame size. Click it. Come to here, scale to frame. Here, select it, scale to frame size. Select it, frame to frame size. You got it? This we can increase the time. Sir, here I would like to go with scaling, sir. Keep the scaling. After that, make it giving the 20 seconds and come to 75 seconds. 70, and I would like to go with 250. After that, make it 15, and after that, click it 85. I'm just giving the number only, or otherwise you want, you can give the manually also like this. Decrease and increase. Come to guys. Okay, very clear. Go to the rotation. Hit the key point. Place the one key point frame. After that, the distance. Give the rotation 360 degrees. Here, make it 75 degrees and come to 150 degrees and go and come to here minus 90 degrees and come to here, keep it 0. This is my animation. Now to here, go to the opacity. Select this one, click the opacity, and it should be a starting point will be 0, 100%, and again here make it 0. Again it should click like this as a 150%, sorry 100%, 100 only it will be there. Again come to here, go to the 20%. Again come to here, go to the 50%. Again go to the again 0%. Here go to the 100% and come, making with the multiple times animation. Okay, so giving the multiple keyframes like 15% and and make it 55% and go to the 85%. Go to the 15% again. Come to here, make it 100% and make 0. Come to the forward, just move the, use spacebar to flick it. So the animation is run. You understand, guys? The position, the scaling, the rotation, and opacity. All the key points to this one. I need a position, scaling, rotation, and opacity for this image. How is it possible, sir? Keep all the animation points. First of all, I need a position. Select this one, select the position, and keep the key point here. From come to here, make it the key point into the center. Okay, and after that, the key animation is moving from here and come to here and keep it into the center again. And meanwhile, the scaling should be started from here. అది వచ్చిన తర్వాత it should be started from here like 25%, and after that, make it it's 150%, 0, 150%, make it 100%, 120%. The position is coming scaling. Scaling it's coming here, no? From here to, I would like to start with my rotation. So the starting point will be here. Okay. Come to here, make it 360 degrees. 360 degrees, it will come like this. I need it's coming very speed, the 360 degrees and rotation. Why means the distance is very less. So increase the distance. Animation now. This is good. I would like to, after completing this one, come to here, make it the opacity. Select this one here. 0. It should be flicker into the 100%. It should be flicker into the 85%, 15%, and 100%. And save the file, save it. Got the question, guys? Sir, it has been done very clearly. It has been done very clearly, and I already done with this thing, sir. And the animation and timeline and place animation key points. It's very, and effect controls already been taken. Okay, and how can we export this animation, sir? File, go to the export media. Export media. Please note it down. This is user interface and animation concept. Okay, for this topic. Okay, file, export, and media. The shortcut is Control M. Select this one, and you can see the render export settings. Click it here and make it the export settings. Like this, you can decrease the area. Keep it here perfectly, and there is an image. The output name will be image. Where it's saving, desktop. Make it project 24. Select it and save it. Okay, we can change the output name here. There is a H264 is nothing but MP4 format. If you want to change it AVI, it will be changed as a AVI. But there is no MP4 directly. So the name is H264 is the MP4 format. Okay, export video and audio. If you want to add any audio track, come to here, take the import desktop. There is a footages. I have an audio track here. Just take it this one and keep the three video tracks we have, three audio tracks we have. Okay, select this one and make it into the audio track here directly. This audio tracks we got from Unsplash, so we can use this audio tracks from personally and commercially also. Okay, this like this. Select this one. I can delete this one. If you want to export it means, okay, if you want to export it means you can export like or Control M for export settings. Export settings, go to the H264 and output image, export video and audio. We will see the audio in the next level, guys. Okay, and you can see the video. Use maximum render quality. Okay, go to the export and where is the output? Click it here and I can save this output into project 24. Why means my file is completely root folder is project 24. Save it. Okay, select this one and make it export. Anything we can do it, but this is a starting step. Okay, first check this one. So in the toolbox, this is move tool. We can move it. Okay, come to here, project 24, and I can select this one and I can animate this one. The animation will be run like this. Any doubts? Please practice, friends. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. Thank you, friends. Please maintain the root folder. Maintain the root folder. See, click it. The user animation backup will be there. The capture, anything, the files will be activated here. And this is Vamsi Dande as a senior graphic and UI UX designer. Please contact 9030-913 and 914, or please visit our institution in Amirpet, friends. Okay.